Okay, what we've got here is the tricircle 264. It does rake with the regatta rake. You can bump it if you file your own key. Quickest method seemed to be, for me, the padlock shims. Well, that one's rising. You've got to keep the pressure on as you turn these shims in. Don't forget to do both sides. On some of the cheapies you do get away with it, but overall you want it on both sides like that. Apply pressure to the shims, make sure they're both down. Push the shackle down, check those shims are both down, and your padlock's open. Doesn't take too long. It's the tricircle 264.